We in paradise right now. Tillamook factory. Where are we right now?
We're on top of the freaking world, baby.
This is so crazy.
I'm JC, and this is Jeff. We own X Gym in Thornton, Colorado, but decided neighborhood life wasn't for us. Join us on our adventures finding freedom in a sick RV. Oh yeah, these guys are coming too.
Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we're about to descend into one of the best campsites we've been to yet. Down the first part of the hill, there's only a few boulders to squeeze past on the side.
Good. That's the first little hole that you're in right there. Now for the tricky part. First and foremost, our camper is a beast, but it still takes a skilled driver and possible spotter to make it into tricky spots like this with a camper in tow. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
The camera doesn't quite show the size of these holes that we're driving through, or the angles that we get the camper to. But if you ever make it all the way out of this spot, I'd urge you to step outside of your comfort zone and figure out a way down here. You will not regret it.
Check this shit out. That was perfect, babe. Perfect. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Woo! I think it's safe to say Oregon has not disappointed. If you missed last week's episode, go check it out for part 1 of our trip. This view, that view over there, two totally different views. We're gonna move the camper later.
I like this view.
This is our new home.
I like this view right here.
And there's a waterfall over there.
Yep.
There's a waterfall.
You can hear it a little bit.
Are you kidding? It makes it even better when you don't know what you're getting into, you know? You have no clue what the spot's really gonna be until you get here, and then all of a sudden you have a waterfall across the way, a picturesque painting, riverbend. Over there is Jurassic Park. There's even a rope swing, kind of.
I don't know
It,
what
like
he-
looks like a vine.
I think it might be
To
like a
me,
bear
I think
bag.
That's why it's making me feel like Jurassic Park vibes, because like the water's teal.
I don't know, you just get older looking things, like, so it does have that vibe.
Like rock wall. Don't mind those cars. That's for the waterfall. They're the only downside of
There's
this
just a
oasis.
couple. There's just a couple, but they're way over there.
But you can hear that.
We're hidden up in here.
Yeah, like somebody tried to make their
Yeah, there's little tents up in
tent
here.
site
Well, also, they got this sweet freaking campfire here.
Like they stopped living here.
They were camping, baby. They weren't living. They were camping.
Nah, they were living here.
You think they were living here?
Straight up.
I think we should start a fire.
I mean, unless they're like us and we're like, you know what? Let's just stay. We have enough meat. I mean, we can take the truck. Go get meat. But,
That's all we need.
we can live off the land. We can do everything here. We can even go get water.
Well, if we could
We
siphon,
can get like big.
if we could
You
siphon
can't
water,
take us in there.
it's yeah, we can.
No. You can't.
Just
Did you read
shower
that sign over there?
You could
You
take
need
it.
to help nature.
That's just in that little hole over there.
No, it's not. Always got some kind of water.
There's always one in the group.
Just wow. Wow. Show me the string. Where's the string?
It's right there.
See? Yes.
It's actually in the photo the whole time.
About to have a fire. Flex. Oh, he started the fire. Get it, baby. Bag is full of brats and some s'mores. Fire. View. S'mores. Oh my gosh. A frog. Hey, hey. You're almost gonna step on him. Get out of here. I think he's actually a little toad, but he's super cute. We're freshly showered. That's so nice.
Okay.
Nice to be clean. And then that fire. Good job, babe.
Grabbing some last things from the camper. Sun just set on over the mountains. Freaking gorgeous. Our own private little piece of the world for the night. Hey, that's a good boy.
Sparkles the water. You see it.
It just sparkles. I do see it.
Oh, would you look at that?
And it even has a screw and everything if you wanted to screw it in there.
Really?
Yeah, shit.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Didn't even hit me.
Nice.
Bury the fire if you wanted to.
That is freaking cool.
Planet's up over there.
On the moon.
Pretty well, which one's up? You can say it.
What? The moon?
Yeah. It's like a perfect half moon right now, though.
Nature's napkin.
Oh. I was like, what is nature's napkin in your pants? That's what I thought. Thank you for specifying. Whoa, moth?
I don't even know.
There was a moth.
Of course.
Afraid of moths. Deathly afraid of moths.
Not deathly.
Yeah.
I mean, what is deathly afraid of something, you know? Like, I'm gonna go into a panic attack.
I guess, right?
Who doesn't hide under a freaking blanket when I'm lost?
Yeah. Alright, maybe deathly is too strong of words. But last week when we were in Texas,
Especially as a child. That was a different story.
that thing was,
That was.
like,
Oh my gosh, I'm blowing these up.
they gotta put
Take that.
whoa, careful.
No, that was a whole different story.
That thing, and it was in the camper too, like it was on my pants.
Actually funny, because it's just like, go to the bathroom. You need to go to the bathroom. I was like, I don't know why.
I just didn't want her to see
Are
it.
there pirates?
Yep. We're about to be boarded.
Yeah. You say good morning?
are you this morning, sir? Same as usual. Going to the waterfall in the hot springs. Oh snap! So cool! I'm excited. Right. Not a lot of parking, so we're on the side of the road. Oh yeah, we had to pay to go to the hot springs. $10 a person. 2 hours. 3 pools. Clothing optional here. Alright. Trail to the hot springs. What? Huh? Due to the nudity here, we didn't get a ton of footage, but we highly recommend going, especially if you're on the adventurous side.
We met some really down-to-earth people and had some great conversations. We even learned that some old-school hippies sneak in at night for a candlelit dip.
We're absolutely in awe of this place, and I think it's safe to say the animals love it too. Wow.
Where are you going so fast?
Freaking ridiculous.
Jump.
No, I missed it. Dang it.
Jump over there. Hey.
Dang it, he jumped over. I missed it the last time. And then he walks under it. You could totally have him walk off leash. Sometimes he gets stubborn. Wants to go further than you want to go. And then he gets fast. Yeah, and then he looks up trees. All weird like. He's never climbed one, but I feel like he knows. Like it's something that he should do. I had a craving. Best thing you can do for a craving is get a small one. So it gets out of your system. Instead of getting the big bag.
Lesson learned.
Every state we go to, we get stickers and magnets for the fridge, so we take pictures of ourselves. Well, I mean, we print pictures of ourselves, put them on the fridge next to the magnet for the state. So this is our Idaho, and it's a potato! And then we have Idaho stickers. So we put all of our stickers from every state, and just random stickers that we get.
This became kind of a mission of ours, though, to find different ones, and just a fun thing for us to do, to find them at different areas.
These ones are super cute from the Friends Flower Shop. Shout out to Stazzy. Juniper and honey. Floral design. Cutest shop, flower shop in Denver, hands freaking down.
Be right there though.
Finally had to turn on the generator. It's been a few freaking days. It's been over a week.
Oh yeah, since we've been
And
plugged in?
Yeah, and it's only because we're in this beautiful little hole with no sun. Look how good Gloria's doing.
50%.
I'm freaking out.
It's like too much.
No, he wants more. Like, give me that. Give me more.
Happy birthday, baby.
Alright, just about ready to roll out. Just gotta drive forward, get off the trucks. We're good to go. Flex is antsy in anticipation. Every time we start to leave, he just wants to get in the truck. So he just stands there. Just gotta walk back out of this view one more time. Back the camper down through that area. I'm gonna go up through here and back out on the road. Look at the pace, right, Flex? Roll through Eugene, and then over to the coast. Hey, what are you running to? Hey, leave it. Chasing squirrels. Hey, get down. What are you doing? Come on, Flex. That's freaking wow. This view.
Beautiful.
Alright, guys. See how it goes up this hill.
You just came to the most beautiful spot ever. Stay here forever.
Ate it up like a champ.
The dopest truck in the fucking world.
Dopest camper in the world. We were honestly so sad to leave this beautiful oasis. Places like these are what reminds us of how lucky we are to be able to travel and experience what most only dream of. We made so many good memories here, and we hope our travels inspire you to get out into nature and make some memories of your own. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be back too. I was serious about living there when we first arrived, and from time to time I still think back and entertain the idea of a peaceful life nestled in the trees next to the riverbank, listening to the rushing waterfall. And what a benefit it would be to have night hikes to the hot springs whenever we wanted. But for now, it's time for us to explore some more and finally make it back to the Pacific coast.
All the way to the coast. Pacific coast. Touched it. We don't want to go too much. Happy birthday!
Fires up.
No, that's what I was just saying. Like, we didn't have no shit like this. We had a freaking cornfield.
It's ridiculous. I honestly didn't think Oregon could get any better. Until we just drove up the coast!
And we found. Good.
We're the Tillamook factory!
Just kind of randomly happened to drive by it as we were going through the town of Tillamook.
It's windy. Lots of cheese! The Tillamook factory. I'm excited. See what we got.
Show him the cheddar master.
The cheddar master.
Supposed to point it at me.
Oh, sorry. The cheddar master.
No, it's back there.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Loaf tour. I don't know what it is, but I wanna know what it is.
Look at the bait. Take it around.
What? A Tillamook road trip.
Called it baby loaf. That's a little one. Say it a couple.
Dude. Are you kidding? Oh my god. Bro. What? I'm gonna get some medium cheddar. And I love her hair. Oh my god.
What flavor do you want? There's some I've never seen before.
Wait, don't they have fresh though over there? Oh shit, we fucked up. We shouldn't have got all this stuff yet.
What? We can put it all back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Put it all back. Put it all back. And then we'll come back. And then we'll get ice cream from here to go to. Excuse us. Perfect. Okay. So just remember, chocolate milk, cream cheese,
Now pick me up.
shredded cheese, sliced cheese. Oh my god. Goodbye, Tillamook.
Change what's up. We bought cheese.
We bought ice cream. But also, we didn't get ice cream that was fresh. The line was ridiculous. We gotta go. We are overflow. We're always overflow. Actually, we almost got stuck in the Goodwill parking lot. Not stuck, but we got into a tight situation. We were like, oh crap. Definitely smaller parking lot than we thought originally. This guy got us out. Perfecto. One little alteration, and we were good to go. Check out my new jacket from Goodwill. We're looking for Burning Man outfits, but I'm wearing it all the time. Swag.
Camper so photogenic, and so are you. Just eating ice cream. Turn it so you can see the logo.
Not sponsored, but feel free.
We get so fat, I would. Oh, sponsored by Tillamook?
No, we wouldn't.
No, it would be. We'd have control. We'd
Yeah.
have control. But,
I mean, fine. Feel free.
yeah, Tillamook, make it happen. That'd be freaking cool. Airdrop ice cream into us in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna roll.
Wait. Let's do that. Put that in there.
We're gonna roll. Flex is
And then
ready.
you gotta lick it clean. And that's RV life.
Oh,
Alright?
you can wash it.
It's off grid life. That's not what I mean. You gotta lick it clean because
What's nature's napkin?
otherwise it takes more water to get
Yeah.
the hard stuck stuff off.
No, I agree.
No.
I agree.
No.
Grab some, here. There you go. Nature's napkin.
Nature's napkin.
Nature's napkin.
Yeah, I said your mouth last time. Your mouth.
I was just bringing it up again. I was about to be
I was
like,
like, my tongue?
use
What did I
nature's
say?
use nature's napkin in your mouth.
Alright, I'm not gonna wait.
All right.
Changed. Not out of disco. They're smiley faces. Hello. No, but we have to. Oh, sorry, just came inside. I can't see. Get all the animals. Get the food and the water back in. shove everything in the shower, get the litter box out, and then we're out. The Tillamook Creamery. Oh my god.
Oh, they got a sailboat in the front too.
Wow.
They're awesome.
Dang.
It's called the Morning Star.
We should have went. Look at that. Oh well. Cool. What's this?
The headquarters.
Half pint? I don't know what that was, but that was cute as heck. Our Oregon trip was coming to an end and we were on our way to Washington, but first we'd have to cross the Astoria-Megler Bridge. No! Oh my gosh, let's do it. I'm so excited.
Alright, that's what we're doing. We're gonna spin around and go over the bridge. Netflix. Look at the chieftain come across.
Oh my god, I can't
See it? Look over there.
believe it.
See it coming across? The old chieftain.
Yeah. It's Steve.
They freaking love those things out here. Sailboats out
Out the mud. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Where are we right now?
We're on top of the freaking world, baby.
Ah, this is so crazy. I can't even fucking believe this right now. Sorry, excuse my language. Jesus Christ.
Flex, you see that?
Wow, Wex, we're on top of the world. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you made it to the end, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next week for our trip to Washington. We're in Washington! Right near the redwoods. Look at all the bugs.